How to add background image to PowerPoint slides. First of all, you have to open up the PowerPoint. Now select your presentation. Once you have opened the presentation, now you have to select the slide where you want to add the background picture. For example, I have this slide right here. So once you're on your slide, navigate to toolbar at the top and click on Insert from the top left corner. From there, click on Pictures and then click on this device. Now from your device, you have to select a picture that you want to set as a background picture in your slide. For example, I have this picture right here. Select your picture, and once the picture has been added, now you can resize to adjust in your slide. Now once you're done with this, you have to right click in your picture, and from this drop down box you have to click on Send to Back, and there you can see this picture has been added as background in my PowerPoint slide. So that's the way to add background picture in your PowerPoint slide. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.